Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Linon Verona Cot-Size folding bed. The most distinct differentiation of this Linon Verona Cot-Size folding bed from other options is its multicolored variations in here. This product is available in a steel frame and with a mattress with a weight capability of 275 pounds. This product comes in a multicolored fabric, making it easier to match all your different needs and styling up a room. There you have casters designed for easy mobility. So, now you can carry the bed anywhere with you and do not have to worry about its movements. It has a sturdy metal tube frame associated with durable wire supports. Moreover, this product is really easy to store with twin flat sheets compatible. The top of this bed comes with a non-woven material as its fabric type, with 100% polyester, fiber 70% polyester, 30% cellulosic fiber. The bed comes fully assembled and you can use it anytime as an extra bed for guests, kids, and even adults. Moving on at number 4, we have the Zinus Rollaway folding guest bed. If you are looking for a twin bed, which is narrow in size and can fit any house, then Zinus Rollaway folding guest bed frame with 4-inch comfort foam mattress is the one that you might want to deal with. It is available in 2 sizes and the mattress layers include 1 inch of the comfort foam, 2 inches of the viscolatex foam and 1 inch of premium quality support foam. This bed comes in 12 inches of high-strong steel folding frame. The bed frame has wheels on it, making portability an easy task here. It is made using the highest quality foam, which is CertiPure US certified for good performance, durability, and content. The product comes with a worry-free 1-year warranty. So, if anything happens at this point without any fault of yours, this folding bed will get replaced with a completely new one then. At number 3, we have the Zinus Memory Foam Folding Guest Bed with Wheels. If you are looking for a bed that can accommodate 2 adults at the same time, Zinus Memory Foam Resort Folding Guest Bed with Wheels is the ones for you to consider. It is available in 2 sizes and features 5-inch mattress with 1 inch of memory foam and 4 inches of high-density base support foam. You can get in touch with a strong solid steel foldable frame and with matching fabric on the mattress and frame. This match has been made to design the bed and look like box spring and mattress set. For making this bed super comfortable, you have the CertiPure US certified foam used for it. The foam is known for its high-rated performance, durability and even for the best content of all time. It comes with easy storage value. The bed has a hook and strap for keeping the guest bed securely folded right in half during the storage value. It will be smartly shipped and can be easily assembled. At number 2, we have the Sleepmaster Holiday Elite Rollaway Folding Bed. Sleepmaster is here with the best folding beds you can ask for. You can get the Sleepmaster Holiday Elite Rollaway Folding Guest Bed, which comes handy with a bonus storage bag for easy portability at its best. It comes with the best 4 inches mattress with 1 inch of fiber padding and 3 inches of the base layer of supportive super soft foam. This folding bed comes with a mattress cover, which is associated with premium quality jacquard bamboo fabric. It has a deluxe steel frame, which will ensure that the bed stays strong for a long time. So, if you are looking for a sturdy bed, it is one of the best options you can get for your home. It comes with a bonus storage bag. So, if you want to store the bed when not in use, you are covered for that as well. It comes with 1-year limited warranty with this bed for sure. It can fold for that easy storage and comes with the ultimate foam and fiber comfort mattress. And finally at number 1, we have the Linon Home Dcor Luxor Memory Foam Folding Bed. Available in beige color, Linon Home Dcor Luxor Memory Foam Folding Bed Mattress is a perfect option if you have to work out on the bed for guests and have no space for presenting a traditional one. This item comprises of a steel frame and a mattress of smooth polyester polyurethane foam finish. It comprises of a beige damask fabric cover and associated with casters for easy mobility. The product comes with a sturdy metal tube frame with the durable wooden slat supports. The mattress is topped with a layer of the memory foam and with a space-saving sleeping arena. This folding bed is just perfect for your overnight guest stay, especially in your vacation homes. This bed can be placed in storm shelters with a weight cap of 275 pounds. You can place twin flat sheets on the bed for better and comfortable sleep all the way through. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.